Hello everyone. With Filestack's recent updates in version 4.0, a number of useful features have been introduced. I'm here to give you a straightforward technical walkthrough of three new capabilities of Filestack. We'll look at the new mini uploader, see how CSS can be used to create a dark mode theme, specifically Tailwind CSS, and review how folder uploads are handled, especially with the pause and resume functionality. The first one that we're going to look at is the mini uploader. As you can see, the Filestack uploader is now in a minified version. This is already available to every Filestack user. By setting mini uploader to true in your options, you will be able to render the mini version of Filestack. So this renders a compact but powerful uploader directly into a specified container. We also designed this to use as little footprint as possible in your applications while also having the powerful punch of Filestack. So for example, I'm going to upload a file. It's going to show here the uploaded file with a check mark and the file name. Now let's move towards the Tailwind CSS integration. With the new update, Filestack can now use Tailwind CSS natively to style the picker. This means you can use Tailwind CSS to match your app's look and feel. We will have a different tutorial on how to style the picker, but for now I can demonstrate a simple change of the button color. For example, this one, the select folders to upload button. I can go, first things first, I can comment this out so you can see the file picker in its default form. Right now it looks like this, just a plain white background. And I'm going to uncomment this and go back here so you can see the difference of the light theme and the dark theme. Now let's move on to changing this button's color to match the Filestack orange theme. I'm going to go back to VS Code and then go find the shop area button, which controls this color. For example, I want to make this the Filestack orange. Save, go back here. As you can see, it's now changed from green to orange. But now the hover looks weird. Now I want to make sure that when I hover, the background color turns to white and the text turns to orange. Let's go back here. Just going to copy this, which now I can add a hover from Tailwind and change the background color to white and change the color to orange. So it looks nice. And I'm going to go back here, go to the Custom CSS tab. And as you can see, now it's changed from the green default color to the orange Filestack color. And when I hover using the Tailwind CSS class, it now turns into white with the font as orange. This is just a short example on how to modify the picker using the new update. Again, we will have a different tutorial based on this alone because it's a huge update, specifically the styling of the file picker. Hopefully this change brings more diversity into the Filestack file picker and you can match the look and feel of your app. Lastly, the new update brings in folder uploads, which is a default feature of the new file picker. Your users can now upload folders directly into the picker. So for example, when a folder is uploaded, the picker displays a queue of all files contained within it. Each file shows individual upload progress. So for example, I'm going to upload the folder called student files. Click upload. And as you can see, the folder is now here with 3 files and the total file size is also listed here. And you can see the X button here if you want to remove it. You can also upload more if need be. And you can also view what you have already uploaded before. So for example, let's click on upload. And there is an error here because the file size of one file here is 200 megabytes, but this is just to show you what happens when something fails. So as you can see, there are 3 tabs here: all uploads, completed, and failed. So when you click on completed, you can see all the files that were uploaded. And the third one is the failed uploads, which is the one that has way too high of a file size. You can click on retry. And before clicking on retry, you can also see that there's a progress bar that shows when a file is being uploaded. So if you can click on skip failed files, it means that your file is now uploaded. So this new update also introduces the pause and resume capabilities. So I'm going to upload it again. As you can see here, there it showed the pause. This update also introduces the pause and resume option. So your users can now control if they want to pause, resume, or cancel all the active file transfers. And this is what they will see. And as you can see, if a file is not uploaded, there is a very noticeable error message called it can be file not found. And it can also show how many files have not been uploaded and how many have failed, allowing your user to see which files are affected. So to recap, we've seen how the mini uploader option provides a simple component for basic uploads, how we have natively integrated Tailwind CSS to style your file picker, and how the folder upload functionality gives your users control with progress, pause, and resume capabilities. These recent updates continue to provide a flexible and developer-friendly toolkit for file handling, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.